Hello everybody, creating the new virtual machine for the Budgie Linux. In that time, it is the way in by the third ruler. The ruler of 5C1824494464241 by the board of the third moon in my request pyramid table. The timer of plea E1824494464241 by the board of the third moon in my requested pyramid time. But in that way, it is the evolution. The evolution of the transform program, it will isolate 243, which is the conversion of the data. In so, it will work the material to transcript itself into the division. The division is AG1924. So let's work on VMware workstation. Create a new virtual machine. Typical. Image. Unix. Budgies. Where did I download the Budgies? Here it is, Budgies. Next. I haven't used this program for a while, so I gotta remember how to do it. Next. Okay, alright. Let's see if it works. Hopefully the budgie works in the VMware. Thank you. The talking material will transcript itself into the division. The division for the complexity of network AG892149464241 is by the board of the fifth moon, which may request the pyramid table. The timer is to playing itself into the division of the exporting degree, and in that time it is the evolution. So let's set this up. Just leave it like this. Do not use the internet because it can't detect the Wi-Fi. I read it on Google that the Wi-Fi does not work. Okay. Install third-party software for graphic and Wi-Fi. Okay, try that one. Okay, should I try this one? Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. No, better not. So hopefully this works and doesn't lock up. I'll be back. I will install it for half an hour. So hopefully it works. Six minutes and 58 seconds. Hopefully it doesn't lock up. The evolution is a Tranco system. It will formulate into 243, which is the working material to transcript itself into the division. The division for the complexity of network 358148494644241 is by the board of the third moon, which may switch off to the mode of the Anana. In time, the division for the complexity is network 324. The material will transcript itself into the fifth moon. But then again, it's nature. I just don't know. So hopefully this doesn't lock up. I'll be back. Oh, hello. On VMware workstation, it's actually installing properly because in the article, the installation work has froze. So hopefully this is working because it's beautiful. Thank you. Oh, it does work. Oh, thank you. Greek Orthodox. The working partition will destroy itself into the sick pay for Centrelink, but in time the fifth moon may reverse itself into the division. The division for the complexity of network 32454546 is by the board of the fifth moon, which may request the timer. In so, the fifth moon may request the tala, but in that day it is 10325. Hopefully this is working. 12 minutes and 29 seconds. Come on. Oh, I'm happy now. It's working. Cool. It's beautiful. It does work. There you go. What's all this stuff? Get started familiar. Please choose a topic to get started. This is just a, what do you call this? Instruction. All right. That's pretty good. I minimize this. Then I go to the network. It doesn't have Wi-Fi. It should have Wi-Fi. Oh well, never mind. No Wi-Fi adapter found. Make sure. So I have to Google it to find the Wi-Fi to install the Wi-Fi adapter so the internet works. Thank you. It does work. It's beautiful, isn't it? Thank you.